Tyler will back it up. They want to get Kenneth going. Tuffin buries the three.
Always has one in the game. No? Almost always.
He heard both on offense and defense para sa Phoenix as Barroca is trying to back up on Tyler.
That's money. Buti na lang medyo nag-cool down.
Traffic sa loob para dito kay Balungay. Nilabas na lang kay Tuffin. Hopia not looking at the rim. They go to Barroca. Buffin from way outside. Galing sumulong yan. Sa kanyang PBA career, ito si KJ Buffin. He has been spectacular ever since.
As you have mentioned, which is all. You can see the fight back here on the part of Phoenix Fuel Masters. They're that kind of a team, huh?
Babawi si Johnson.
4. That's a 4.
22 puntos na para dito kay Robert Johnson III. Buffin spinning away. Sinaguba ni Santos and one.
Yung mga ganyang galaw, iba na yan.
Pero kahit anong X's and O's, if they're being outplayed, wala pa rin mangyayari. 50-50 balls na pupunta sa Magnolia. During transition, the guys hesitate, making it seem like...
De La Rosa had to reach for it. Barroca doon sa kanto sa kaliwa. 6 to shoot for the guys in blue. Buffin inside. Hindi nga lang natanganan ni Santos. Barroca thought about it on the run. Andy Mark hits again.
Hindi natin on the other end. Kung si Paul Lee o si Lastimosa magbabantay muna sa import.
Lito Sanggalang.
Kung Machado na 6-0 run dito. By the way, in the ball game. Okay.
BJ locks it through. That's a 3 para dito with Johnson.
He switch back to Buffin.
Lee trying to drop it off. Okay, broken up by Balungay. Johnson will power up. Oh! Bustos jam!
Na-poster siya.
This play of the game brought us by Sports Plus. Grabe yung buwelo, Dog. Yun na naman, when he takes off from the left side like that. Mapalayap, mapataktak, ilalay. Ngayon, 31 nga.
31. Kaya Sanggalang.
Ian jump of dos din yun. What an exchange here.
In averaging 16, in their wins.
Mamu
Oh, that's a foul.
somehow got it in.
But he made it. And that's his fourth.
Johnson with a swipe. Rivero leaves it. Oh!
Masama ang pase. Malayo eh.
Medyo behind.
Oh, nahuli
Back
ulit.
counter. Babawi si Richie. Johnson had to gather. Tuffin to Kai. He gets the one down with the stick. Tabla na tayo.
Wow, what a turnover.
Kung hinahanap ko yung mga laro sa YouTube, automatic naman yan. Nasa One Sports na. As Lastimosa comes up with the acrobatic finish. Pinagpapalabas ng score lang. Kung kayo nasa YouTube na po, dumiretso na kayo sa One Sports channel. Live na live natin napapanood. Huwag na kayo magtyaga doon sa score lang. Tapos may nagkikwento.
Because they're playing strong defense here.
Alfaro
Oh!
gets the triple back.
Hindi na maapang nga daw siya. Which I think he was. Oh.
And one para kay Richie sa kabila.
Ang problema, foul na naman si Bucket.
Yun lang. Plus 11 dyan ang Phoenix, kaya tabla na tayo. Alfaro loses control. Rivero looks up court.
Oo.
PJ. This time, finish naman ang ginamit doon.
Lahat